Hi, my name is Laura Myron and we're here with GymRa, and today we're going to do a quick routine for fat burning yoga. So we're going to work some good poses and keep you moving, all right? Start in downward facing dog. Hips up and back. You can bend one knee at a time, move it around. Okay, bend your knees, walk your feet up to your hands, forward fold, and get those hamstrings open. So if you want to bend your knees, you certainly can, especially if your hands don't touch the ground. Otherwise, you can work towards straight legs and hinge from your hips. So you're thinking top of the head towards the ground, belly towards your thighs. You can use your hands on your legs or on your calves to assist the stretch. And then one more good stretch here to open. Heel toe your feet as wide as your mat. Sit your booty down. Get low. And lift your chest up. Broaden your collarbones. Drop your butt towards the ground. Widen out your knees. Rub your arms up on your new GymRa leggings. Feels so good. Okay, and go ahead and stand it all the way up, keeping your knees in line with your second and third toe, and bring your feet together, knees apart. Sit your hips low, chair pose. Gotta do that chair pose. Lift your right knee up, cross your right ankle over your thigh, flex your foot, and sit those hips on down. Start working the legs, opening your hips. Good. Okay, stand all the way up. Switch your sides, simple and easy. Sit low, reach your arms up, lift your left knee, cross your ankle over your thigh, flex your foot and sit on down. Work your balance, so find somewhere to look at that's not moving so you can keep your balance and sit those hips on down. Lift your knee, lower your foot. All right, let's add on a little bit more. Bend your knees, chair pose. Cross your right thigh over your left thigh for eagle, and then stay here, hook your foot behind. Right arm underneath the left. Lift your elbows up, press your hands away from you. Hold. 3, 2, 1. Unwrap and stand it all the way up. Lift your knee up and balance. Good. Now cross your left arm over to your right leg and twist. So twisting is said to be really good for your digestion and your insides. So we can see why that would help us with our fat burning. Stretch your leg out. Now try and keep this much twisting. Release the arm and reach. Hold for 3 and 2 and 1. Lower your hands. Same thing. Second side. Bend your knees. Lift your left knee. Thrust your thigh over. Hook your foot or not. Your foot might not hook, and that's okay. You just work what you got. Left arm underneath the right. So we're working the hips, opening the hips, and then working the legs a lot here. Lift your elbows, press your hands away from you, sit a little bit lower. Uncross, stand up and balance, lift your left knee. You got it. Right hand to the left leg, left arm back, twist. Stand up really tall, hold. Now try to straighten your left leg. Maybe you work towards that eventually. And then release the arm and hold everything up. Hold the twist, hold your leg for 3, for 2, and 1. Lower down. Okay. Come back to the front of your mat. Reach your arms up big. Inhale. Exhale. Fold forward and down. Halfway up. Inhale. Reach your chest long, long, long through your spine and step to plank and hold it in your plank. All right, let's get going. Right knee to the right elbow. Hold. Left knee to the left elbow. Hold. Right knee to the left elbow, twist. Left knee to the right elbow, twist. Let's pick it up. Here we go. Right, left, across, across. Right, left, across, across. Right, left, across. Right, left, across. 3 more. Right, across. Right, left, across. You got 1 more. Get that heart rate up. Burn those calories. And downward facing dog. All right, here we go. Lift your right leg up. Squeeze your right glute. Use the muscle. Step your right foot all the way between your hands. Reach out long through your chest. Now right into standing splits. Lift your left leg up and hold. Now you can have your hands on blocks. You can put your hands on a chair. You can have a chair handy for balance. Excellent. Now come out long through your chest. Lengthen your spine, bend your right knee, come into warrior three. Balance, hold. So we're working these big standing poses that are involving all of our muscles to get those heart rates up and challenge ourselves. Okay, here we go. Lift your left knee up. You know what to do here. Eagle, left over right, left under right with the arms. Hold. 3, 2, unwind. Lift your knee up and twist. Keep the knee bent or work towards a straight leg. Hold. You got it. Lift the arm. Back into warrior three. Here we go, warrior three. Back down, standing splits right where you started. Now, here's where we get a little more fun. Hop your right foot back. Now, shift your shoulders over your wrists. Here we go. 10, 9, down and up, down and up. And don't even worry if you get so much air time. Just think of this as actually kind of having a little bit of fun, and think of working those legs. Firm up your biceps and triceps, keep your arms straight. Once you've done an honest 10, you step into plank, hold your plank. 5 times. Right, left knees, take it across. Right, left knees, take it across. 3, take it a little faster. 2, little faster. 1, down dog. Oh my goodness, left leg. My Midwestern accent just came out. Oh my goodness, left leg up. Step your left foot all the way through, reach out to your chest. And here we go, standing splits. Lift your right leg up. Now remember, you can put your hands up on a couple books, on your couch, on your chair, whatever you gotta do. Okay, reach out long through your chest. Bend your left knee. Longer, longer, longer through your spine, warrior three, lift and hold. Find your balance. You're doing great. You made it here, keep moving through. Lift your right knee up, right into that eagle. Cross the thigh, hook the foot. So your right leg's over, that means your right arm is gonna go under. Balance and breathe. You're doing great. Just notice what's happening here in your body, through your hips. Okay, lift up, right into the twist. Bring your hand to your leg, stretch your right arm back, and maybe work towards that straight leg. Hold, and maybe try and lift your left arm, hold. All the way back through, warrior three. Here we go, right back down to where you started. Hands to the ground, standing splits. This is the fun part. You hop your left foot a little further back. Shift your shoulders over your wrists, look forward, up and down. So again, don't think of this as having to be perfect. Think of it as maybe like just kind of having fun and getting your heart rate up. Look forward, firm up the biceps and triceps, your arms are straight. Down and up, down and up. Hold your plank. 5 times, let's do it. Right, left, across, go. Right, left, across. Right, left, across, 2 more. Right, left, across. Right, left, across, down dog. Take a child's pose, feet together, knees apart. Sit those hips back. 1 more breath in child's pose. Okay, everybody, up and back, downward facing dog. Here we go. Step or walk your feet forward, or try, we work this in our strengthening one, hop your feet as wide as your mat, land with your knees bent, land in a squat, lift your chest, hold your goddess. Now place your hands back down and step or hop your feet back. Do it again. So the stepping forward is step, step, lift your chest, goddess, hands down, step, step back. Just make sure you're alternating. Or you're gonna go with me and jump. Here we go. 10, lift, down. 9, lift, down. 8, lift, down. 7, breathe, down. 6, working those legs, getting the heart rate up. You can switch to stepping anytime. 3, get the chest up. 2, last 1, hold it here. Stand it all the way up. You guys rock. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, fold forward and down. Come halfway up, reach out through your chest, press your inner thighs back. Bend your knees, plant your hands, step back to plank. Lower all the way to your stomach. Here we go, just a moment of working the back of the body. We gotta even it out. So lift your legs, lift your chest, lift everything up. Hold here and breathe. Now stay here or bend your knees, reach back and find the outer edges of your feet. Hug your knees in and kick your feet into your hands. Press your pubic bone into the ground, lift your navel up for 3, 2, and slowly release right into downward facing dog. Okay, can we do this one more time? Yes, we can. Yes or yes. Right leg up, inhale. Exhale, step your right foot all the way through. Standing splits, lift that left leg up. Hold, 3, 2, warrior 3. Bend your right knee, reach out through your chest and lift up and hold. 3. Stand up, eagle. Cross your thigh, hook, left arm under, sit. Slowly lift all the way up and lift your knee. We twist with or without the legs straight. Maybe try and lift your right arm up. 3, 2, all the way back down, warrior 3. Moving right through now. Hands down, standing splits. Let's try just 5 kick-ups. Go. 5. Look forward. 4. And maybe your kick-up is a little smaller. That's okay. This is really hard. You're really brave for trying it. 1 more. Hold your plank. Here we go. Right knee, left knee. Let's do it. Right, left, across, across. 4. Across, across. 3. Across, across. 2. Cross, across. Last 1. Down dog. Go. Second side, left leg up. Step it all the way through. Standing splits, lift that right leg. Make sure you're breathing nice and deep. Gotta get the oxygen there. Lengthen out through your chest. Bend your left knee. Warrior 3, hold. Stand up, cross your right thigh over, which means your right arm is gonna go under. Uncross and twist. Lift your right knee up. Take the hand to the leg. Reach it back and maybe work towards a straight leg, or you can just keep the knee bent. Maybe lift the left arm. 3, 2, and warrior 3. All the way back down. Hands to the ground, standing splits. Here we go. 5 times. 4, 3. Arms are straight and strong, shoulders over wrists. Look forward. Once you've done a good 5, hold your plank. Here we go. Left, right, across, across. Left, right, across, across. 3, across, across. 2, across, across. Last 1. Child's pose. 1 last big burst. Ready? You already know this. From down dog. Shift forward plank. You're gonna hop into goddess. Let's do 10 of them. This is your last big burst. Let's go. Hop forward or step, up, down, hop back. Forward, up, down. Remember you can step. Down, up. So it's so good for your body to get a little hopping, a little bouncing in there, a little plyometrics. 5, 4, good for the muscles, good for your joints. You just gotta do it safely, so work your way up. 2 more. 1, hold. Give me that Malasana squat. Woo-wee. Okay, I said that was your last big burst, but can you give me just a moment of abs? Sure. Why not? Butt down, legs up, boat pose. Going for a little boat ride. I'd much rather be like on a sailboat with someone else running the show. Good. Now, straighten your right leg, straighten your left leg. Scissor the legs, hold on to your right leg and lift up. So this is a bonus hamstring stretch. And bonus, you get to check out your awesome GymRa leggings. Oh yeah, they're looking good. Love these colors. Okay, switch, left leg up, right leg down. Now, can you bring both legs back into your boat pose? Hold. Here we go. Here's your challenge. Use your peace fingers. Hold on to your big toes. I promise we're going somewhere with this. Look out. Feet together, legs together. Point your toes. Pull your shoulders down the back. Lift your chest and maybe start to look up. Hold. So you're balancing right in your sit bones. 5, 4, 3, 2. Don't drop. Try and keep all this lift and let go of your feet. Hold. 5, 4. This is it. 3, I promise. 2. Oh, lay onto your back. This is called melting asana, melting pose. Let's do that thread the needle. Cross your right ankle over your left leg and hug your knees in. Now, if it's available in your knees, you can hold on to the shin and pull your knees in. And just switch your sides. Lower the foot, uncross, and switch. Hug it in. Now you can stay here or hold on to the shin, flex your foot, relax your neck. So your next job is to support your head, right? So when you're laying down at night and you feel that neck tension, your neck doesn't have to do any work here. So you just take a couple deeper exhales, relax your jaw, your face, your eyes, and let your neck release. Okay, I love this one. You're gonna hold on to the inner thighs and stretch your legs out straight. Gently pull your inner thighs in towards you. Make sure your back is nice and long. Okay, last one. Rock and roll or press yourself or somehow come up to a seat. Stretch your hips, bottoms of the feet together, knees out wide. Baddha Konasana. Hinge at your hips, lean forward, and breathe. And just appreciate that you showed up again today. Did something good for your body and for your mind. And that way you're doing something good for the people around you. And also appreciate your body, right? For being able to do this. It's pretty amazing. Last exhale, maybe take it a little deeper. All right, come on all the way up. I will see you next time. Namaste.